How much does it cost to start a blog? Well, that depends on whether you are looking to start a blog to make money or if it is mainly for a hobby. Well, if you're not concerned about making money at the moment, then there are some things that you can let slide that are some paid tools, such as maybe like SEO tools that you can let slide, or maybe even some e-marketing tools, which I actually find to be quite expensive, to actually purchase. So you can start blogging for free, but there are some things that's going to be a little bit hard to get around. So I'm going to share with you 3 things that you're going to have to actually purchase in order to actually get your blog going. One of the things that you're going to have to get is a domain name. Now, you can easily get that from several different sources. You can get that from a website called GoDaddy, or you can go to a website called Bluehost. There's other different places out there where you can actually purchase a domain name. And honestly, domain names are not really expensive. You can get them as little as $15 a year or less than that. So domain names are not expensive, and you have to purchase a domain name. Now, another thing that you're going to have to purchase is some web hosting, because you have to host this web on someone's server and you have to pay for it. So there's different platforms for you to go with. Everyone has their own favorite, but the most important thing about web hosting is that you need a quality web hoster. That way you can have a really good site. Sometimes people get crappy web hosting and their site runs like crap. It doesn't run fast enough. They're having all kind of issues with their site being up one day, down another day. So you have to pay for web hosting. And there's different platforms out there, such like I said, like Bluehost. I think they're one of the cheapest that are around. You can get it for like less than $3 a month. And so web hosting is going to be something that you can't get around. So you have to actually pay for some web hosting. Now, a third thing that you would have to pay for, which I find to be extremely helpful, people should be looking at this, is a responsive blog theme. Now, I know that there's some free themes out there that you can get. You don't have to pay any money for, but you actually kind of get what you pay for, or you get what you don't pay for. So a responsive blog theme is probably one that you're going to pay for. Now, it doesn't have to be extremely expensive, but you want to make sure that this theme is unique, because a lot of times we're all using the same type of themes and everyone's blog looks the same. So you want to get one that's responsive and that's mobile friendly. And not all blog themes are mobile friendly. People are searching online with their mobile devices, and so you want to make sure that your blog shows up very, very impressive. So make sure that you are looking into possibly even purchasing a responsive blog theme. Now, I think that these few things that I gave you are fairly inexpensive, and honestly, if you just cut out your weekly, coffee drinks that you get at your favorite spot, or, happy hour on Tuesdays, if you cut some of that out, then you're probably going to find that starting a blog is not going to really be expensive at all. It's going to be fairly inexpensive if you are willing to swap out some of those things that you do on a weekly basis for actually getting your blogging business off on the ground. Now, there are going to be some tools that you pay for down the line, such as SEO tools. You're going to more than likely want to invest in some search engine optimization tools to help you do keyword research better and things like that. So there are going to be some things later on down the line that you're going to put some money into. Maybe plugins, because there are some plugins that I think that are very good in terms of upgrading. So you might want to upgrade in some plugins. I talked about blog themes. You may want to, purchase a blog theme if you have not purchased a blog theme yet. So you might pay for something like that. And maybe even your graphic design tools. I use a graphic design tool called Canva, and yes, you can get Canva for free, but I actually have the pro version because there are extra things that I want to do to make my blog and my just online business look a lot better in general. So all of these free options that I gave you today, they're basic to start. You don't really need a lot to start a blog, but of course, if you're looking to scale your business over time, then you're going to think about, investing in your blog, investing in your business, and upgrading to some paid features that's going to make you really stand out from the crowd and look a lot different from other people. Alright, so those are my tips on how much does it cost to start a blog. Like I said, I don't think that it's very expensive, However, you can make your judgment on that. Now, if you like this video, make sure that you share this video with some other people that are looking to start a blog, or maybe they're looking part-time. Share this content with some other people. I'm sure it would really help them out. And lastly, I created another video that you may get some interest in, so make sure that you check out my other video, Blogging Basics for Beginners. You know, if you're starting a blog, you definitely want to start off there. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Now, I'm going to admit that there are some things, like I said, I don't find it to be very expensive, but now if you want, oh my goodness. So now, oh my goodness. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.